Okay, so as you can see, I've got my connector there ready to go. I've put the rubber matting back in, put the bonnet release catch back on, and all the trim la-di-da, so that's all done. So the next step is we've got to get from up here down to there, which is actually pretty straightforward. Probably just use a bit of wire or coat hanger to get down through there. That's going to be easy enough. So what this light bar came with was a switch like this. So you got off, low and high. So you got 3 positions. Some light bars will only just come with on or off. What I plan to do, instead of using this switch, which is functional, I'm going to use a couple that are going to go into the dash. So that one's going to go on the end, and that one's going to go next to it. So one of them will be on off, and when it's on, the light bar will be on low, and if I press the button next to it, it'll flick it from low to high. So I'll show you all the wiring diagrams and stuff for that later, and how we're going to get that all together. So a bit of soldering involved, bit of heat shrink, and then it'll just be seamless in the dash. So that's what we're aiming for.